AMD is pushing the boundaries of technology with the AMD MI300A APU. Supermicro is at the forefront of leveraging this power for enterprise and data center solutions and is bringing this groundbreaking tech to the market. Hello, I'm John Abel from the Channel Company, and I'm joined by Project and Product Manager for Supermicro, Daniel Lin. And today we'll be discussing what makes this processor so unique, some of its benefits, and the products that Supermicro has brought to the market to address these challenges. Daniel, how are you?
Good to be here.
Well, we really appreciate having you here, and I want to jump right into this right now. You're the expert, so can you explain to us what exactly is an APU and what makes the MI300A stand out?
All right, perfect. So APU stands for Accelerated Processing Unit. This is the first generation of its kind, with the smaller footprint of integration on CPU and GPU, plus the unified memory. You get to have 228 GPU cores, 24 GW CPU cores, and the 128 GB of HBM3 high-speed memories. On the back of the 760 watt TDP, you don't just get performance, you're also getting power efficiency, total cost ownership saving versus the traditional GPU and other competitors.
So we're talking about one chip integration of CPU and GPU technology here. How can that be beneficial for users?
So compared to the traditional architecture of the communication, you will have to go from a CPU to CPU memory and then connect to GPU memory to GPU. The new architecture of the APU comes with unified memory that between CPU and GPU, which boosting up the communication speed and reduce the latency. It's basically a door-to-door stop. So in addition, with the integration of CPU and GPU plus the open source ROCm, it simplifies the software optimization and avoiding a complex data transfer. So with a smaller footprint design, power efficiency, and coherent memory, we're seeing a positive and competitive benchmark result.
Well, that's great. So let's dive a little more into this here. Which systems is the MI300A integrated into within the Supermicro system, and are there any specs that you'd like to share with us?
Oh yes, definitely. With the collaboration with AMD, Supermicro is offering two versions of MI300A platform. We have the 2U liquid cool and 4U air cool. Each system carries 4 APUs and supports a maximum TDP of 760 watt. With the critical thermal condition rising in the HPC data center, our 2U liquid cool would be a perfect fit for performance efficiency, energy saving, and as well as the density that can mount 21 systems per rack. If you're looking for an air-cooled solution, we have the 4U form factor, which provides extra storage and I/O slots for expansion and configurations.
And I want to follow up on that real quick, Daniel. What are some of the advantages of Supermicro servers with the MI300A solutions?
So we offer selection of liquid cool and air cool. This is in our building block DNA with a smaller design. With similar design to fit the market needs and trends, as Supermicro Vision, we have a lot more to offer than just server. We provide total solution in rack level, plus our strong resource availability and serviceability, and more importantly, our proprietary design liquid cool, and that's a proven energy saving. So as a Supermicro, we are one of the industry leader with the cutting edge thermal management. Our MI300A solution offers the balance for performance, efficiency, and reliability. Not to mention, the MI300A APU is a game changer in HPC and AI workload. And Supermicro is the pioneer that delivering high performance solution at the same time maximizing efficiency and lower operational costs. Either you're looking for the high density liquid cooling or a versatile air cool solution, we have both.
It's an institution in the industry for a reason. Thank you so much for joining me, Daniel, and to all of you for tuning in at home. You can find more about Supermicro's offerings at the web address on your screen. Have a great day.